Hey everyone, Jeffrey here, and today I finally got down into the basement and cleared out some broken toys at the 1939 house. They left some toy pieces, a bag of clothes, and some other stuff. I swept it all out and I hosed it all out, and so now it's all nice and clean. I still have to get out a few things like a wheelbarrow and some plywood and some other stuff. So here's a little short tour in this video of the 1939 house basement. Here's the basement. This is the only way in from the outside. It's just a regular basement made of cinder blocks back in 1939. And for a house that's 83 years old, I'm actually shocked to see that there's no cracks in the blocks from what I can see or tell. And I still have a few things to get out of here. The furnace is older, but it still works great, and so far, knock on wood, I haven't had any problems with it. And then this area back here below the windows has a sloping grade to it, so I'm not sure, but it might have been for a garage of some sort. Alright guys, I hope you like this little short video, and I will see you in the next one.